Oh, this side is better. Maybe that was the back. Ah, I went to the back. It is in operation. Oh, this side is better. Maybe that was the back. Ah, I went to the back. It is in operation. There's signs. Let's go and have a look. Whoops. Very interesting streets, isn't it? The stone streets there remind me of St Andrews in Scotland. All the roads are paved with stones like those. Oh yeah, it is a church in operation. Here is the sign. So it is a Diocese of Chichester, the parish church of St Mary the Virgin, Petworth, and all the details are there. I'm going to go a bit further. I don't know if I can go inside, but I'll try. I just want to show you the building. I was going to use the word majestic because I'm short of words, but I don't know. It's grand. It's really big. So I want to show you what's happening here. The clock is there. It is signed just after 12, but it's incorrect. I wonder how long this building has been around. You remember the sign that we saw on the headstone of the grave. It says 1919 to 2016, isn't it? So this church has to be at least there 1919, but definitely before. Let's see if we can get some additional information about this St. Mary's Church. I'm going to go inside. There's a button there. The sign says press, so I'm going to just press that button. Go in and just take a quick, ask permission if I can take a few quick videos, and then I'm off, okay? Because my battery's actually going. I'll just stop here, pause, and then ask permission. Yes, I've just gone in and I've spoken to somebody, so I just want to take the video of me going in. And she said it's okay to come inside. So this is St. Mary, the Virgin in Petworth. And beautiful building, as you can see. Kind of what I would say typical. Is this a Catholic church or Anglican? It's an Anglican church. Okay, thank you. Thanks for the clarification. So this is a Church of England, Anglican church. But I'll ask the lady in a minute how long it has been around. So let's have a look around. You know, typical beautiful stained windows, as you can see. She's making a cup of tea. What she told me was that she had like toddler group here, and they're just locking up now. And so all the pews where people sit, typical chairs. I can smell the incense, or is it incense? Yes, I could smell that inside here. It's very similar to where you'd find a Catholic or an Orthodox church. Yep. It's a bit dark, but have a look around. Yeah, I was trying to put the light on, but it says the battery is low. Okay, all right. So very typical church, and then you have all what happened behind there and so forth. All right, all right. This looks like a massive organ, I think. I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, I'm heading back out. I was looking for the lady to ask her how old is the building, but I can do the research for that. Okay, that is the St. Mary the Virgin Anglican Church in Petworth. Okay. All right, let's move on. Go that way. Let's let's go this way. Sorry. See, lots of antique shops. See there. So I was saying to you in the previous video, just before I went into the church, that this having these stones to pave the road reminds me of St. Andrew in Scotland. Yep. It's beautiful. A lot of stuff for tourists here. Beautiful. Little red. A lot of stuff. You can have a look. Yep. I'll have to come again and support the local. Here we are. Lots of galleries. A lot of art products. Alright guys, welcome back to Aligaylejourneys. Yeah, you'd never believe what happened. Because I accidentally left my bag with my laptop and all my charging, apparatus devices. I got to Petworth, as I was telling you, had very limited battery left. It went down to 10%, so I had to buy a charger here, as you can see, just ahead of the charger, because I have the cord from my car, which I use to charge from the cigarette point in the car, or socket. And so yeah, I had to buy. Sat in this cafe here in Petworth, and they have been so lovely. And I sat there, charged my phone while I did some editing on my phone. I didn't have a laptop or anything, so I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you the cafe. All right. So, but since I'm here, I'll just show you a little bit here. So, if you come to Petworth, just head for the car park if you're looking for the toilet. And I was looking for a cafe to use, and the one I found didn't look as if they had they have a toilet. So what the lady told me inside is that if I come here, I'm able to see the public toilet. So there's female and there's male, so you're quite okay. So where is it? If you come to the car park, the main car park, I think this is the town center, you should see the toilet. All right, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, by the way, and you can look for the Old Bake if you want to find it. You can look for the Petworth Cobbler in your sat nav or your map, and you can find that. Or I'll show you the cafe that was very helpful. So if you want to come and just chill for a few hours and somewhere to work, here's a cafe. The name, I'll get the name in a minute. Oh, here's Cherries. It's called Cherries, and yep, I sat literally right here. There are plugs here. You can put your laptop in, sit, and they've been amazing. There are people inside, so I can't really show what they have. Yeah, but there's sandwiches and everything inside. All right, so this is a lovely place to come, get a cup of coffee, have a seat, and you can chill. So I'm sure there are other places to eat. I haven't tried them because I have to go now, but there are lots of people eating here. I think they must have gotten it inside there. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna head back to the car now. Yeah, Tiffany. Yeah, Tiffin's Takeaway and Eating. Not sure where this is. I don't know if it's the same place as Cherry. Not sure where that is, but I guess this is somewhere that you can actually eat as well. Okay, so guys, this is Petworth, and just so you look at this little, I keep saying little, but this village, it's actually a big village, but very picturesque, great scenery, and very historical as well. As you can see, the buildings, very old, some of them, and just a whole setup and arrangement of the town center give this kind of an old field, old vibes. You can see some of those buildings. Yep. Not sure what this is. Looks like a church. It is a church.